If you are creating motivational videos like this, you need to stop, because this type of content is no longer being monetized by YouTube, and you will end up wasting your time and efforts just like many other creators out there. It's time to choose the right path, and I am gonna guide you through it. But first, take a look at this YouTube channel. It is monetized and earns thousands of dollars per month. Now many people will say and comment, if it is so profitable, then why are you not making these videos? It's because I already run 2 channels, and it's difficult to manage multiple channels, so I cannot create separate channel on every tutorial I teach. But today, I will provide you exactly what you are looking for. You will not find a video like this across whole YouTube, and by learning the skill from me, you can easily monetize your channel and earn money from YouTube. Now if you take a deep look on this channel, he's not posting some random motivational quotes, but a combination of psychological facts and motivational metaphors and analogies. He basically combines psychological facts with motivational sentences and creates a unique metaphor, and because of that he gets millions of views. Okay, so first we need to get our script right, and obviously the best tool for scripting is ChatGPT for short-form content, but only when you know how to use it correctly. For that you need to learn prompt engineering. But no need to worry, I will tell you exactly how to use ChatGPT professionally without learning prompt engineering, and as a result of that, ChatGPT will provide you something beyond imagination. So go to ChatGPT and write me motivational metaphors that are combination of psychological facts and motivational analogies, and keep them a little long, and then press enter, and it will start spitting out some really good metaphors. If you like it, keep it, and if you don't, then simply click here to regenerate your results. So now you have the script ready, it's time for the main part, the voiceover. Okay, so for these shorts you need a mature and deep voice. For that we will use ElevenLabs. Okay, so now pay attention, it's very important. From side, click on voices. Then click on Explore, and you will land on this vast library of hundreds of voiceover characters. Now you can either listen to each voiceover and discover a special voiceover character for you, or you can read their specifications written here. Like I am gonna try this random voiceover character, Tom. Here you can see it says deep and narrative. So now click on Add Voice to Lab, and then click on Add Voice, and then click on Finish. Now go to Speech and click on Create. And then click here and see our character is added, click on it, and now go to ChatGPT and copy your script and paste it here, then click on Generate, and then from here click on Download, and the voiceover will be downloaded. Okay, so now for clips you have multiple options like Pexels, Pixabay, Canva, and also YouTube. You can get tons of clips and footages from these websites completely for free. Simply download 6 to 7 different clips for each video. And once you have the clips, go to CapCut or any other editing software that you use, click on Import, and import all your video clips and your voiceover, and then place the voiceover on the timeline and remove all the empty spaces from the voiceover. And then adjust the voiceover together. Now select all of the clips and drag them on the timeline. Now from here change the aspect ratio into 9:16, and then zoom each clip on the screen 1 by 1 to get same size of all the clips. You can put same number here for each clip. After that, adjust the clips, then listen to the voiceover carefully, take your time, and then adjust each clip according to the voiceover. And after you have arranged all the clips, then go to transitions and then drag and drop transitions between each clip. And for motivational videos, we won't add anything fancy because it will ruin the whole concept of motivation. We will keep it as simple and attractive as possible. Now go to text and then click on auto captions. Then change the language into English and click on Generate. After that, adjust each caption and then go to Templates and choose any template you want. I will select this, but we will add some changes. I will change the background color into blue and then adjust captions somewhere here on the screen, and I have added this random background audio. You can choose audio while uploading the video on YouTube. YouTube provides you the option to add BGM to your short for free, and now our video is ready. Simply export it and let's watch.
Imagine yourself as a seed buried deep within the earth. At first you may feel confined and in darkness, much like the challenges and setbacks we face in life. However, as you absorb nutrients and water, you begin to sprout roots, anchoring yourself firmly in the ground. These roots symbolize your resilience and determination to overcome obstacles. As you push through the soil, you emerge into the light, breaking free from limitations and reaching towards the sky. This journey mirrors our psychological growth, where perseverance and
Fantastic, right? These type of videos are so liked by the audience because of the unique concept, so you should definitely create these videos, and these videos can be monetized easily. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya all soon.